How to change WPS Office app language in Android device. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Then click on Search bar located on top right corner of your screen. Search System, then click on System. Then click on Languages and Input, which you'll find in Accessibility. Then click on Language, Country/Region option. Then click on Add Languages. You will find all these languages in here. You can choose any language you want. Select one language. Then you'll simply find your language in this option. After you click on the language, simply click on the language and all the language will be changed. And that's how you change WPS Office app language in Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.